Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. At the end of this video, we have reached the end of the explanation of the statistics chapter. And also, at the end of this video, you will be able to solve any questions on the statistics chapter. Now Ziyad carried out a study of the regions where the employees come or where the employees live and found the following results. Employees residence: 12 from Saida, 5 from Barja, 2 from Nahmi, and 1 from Damour. We have 12 plus 5, 17, 19, 20 employees. In this case, the character are not numbers. So we are in the case where we call the character is a qualitative character. Qualitative, because here we have a quality, not a number. And in case where the modalities are numbers, we say that the character is quantitative. Quantitative, qualitative. Qualitative, the character is equality. Quantitative, the values of the character are numbers. Okay? And when the character is quantitative, if the values of the character are integers, we call the character discrete variable. So the character here is a quantitative discrete. And when we have decimal values, we call it quantitative continuous variable. Discrete variable, continuous variable. So now we have a problem. A teacher wants to get an idea of the level of his students in the class. Proposes a composition, and having corrected the copies, he finds himself in front of the following notes. Five, 8, etc. Now this series is not ordered, neither in increasing nor in decreasing form. Order the notes from the smallest to the greatest. The smallest is 5, 6, 7 we have 2 times 7, 83 times, and so on. How many students do we have in this class? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18. I repeat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, the same. Determine the population, the individual, the character, and its nature. Population. What is the population? Students or copies of students. Students correct, copies of students also correct, because the teacher correct the copies, or the exams are made on the students. The same, both are correct. Individual, a student or a copy. Character, the character is the student's grades. Character, students' grades. He studied the grades of the students. Nature, here the values are integers. Nature, discrete, quantitative. Discrete, quantitative. Calculate the size and the range of this statistical series. The size equals 18 and the range, the highest note from the smallest note. 18 minus 15 equals 13. This is the range. Set up a table showing the relative frequencies, increasing and decreasing cumulative relative frequencies and the relative frequencies in percentage, as well as the ICF, increasing cumulative frequency. All. Here the variable, the modalities are 5, 6, 7, which are the notes of the students. 5, only one student takes 5. Also only one student takes 6. 2 students take 7, 3 take 8, etc. etc. We have 5 students who take 13 over 20. Increasing cumulative frequency, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9. How many students have notes smaller or equal to 12? Smaller or equals to 12? 9 students. We have to add all these. Relative frequency. Here we have 1. Relative frequency 1 over 18. Okay. The increasing cumulative frequency, the way of calculating the increasing cumulative frequencies. The relative frequencies 1 over 18, 2 over 18, 3 over 18, 2 over 18, 5 over 18, and so on. Relative frequency in percentage, we have to multiply each frequency by 100. How many students had at most 13, 14? The increasing cumulative frequency of the modality 13 is 14. We have 14 students who took at most 13. Calculate the mode of this series. Which modality had the highest frequency? 13 had the highest frequency. 5 is the greatest frequency. Then the mode of this series is 13. Calculate the mode of this series. The modality with the highest frequency is 13 equals the mode. Construct a bar chart of ICF and deduce the value of the median. Here are the notes. Here are number of students, and here are the notes of the students. Okay, the highest note is 18, and the number of students is 18. This is happening suddenly. Increasing cumulative frequency. Half of 18 is 9. The straight line passing through 19 touches the stick of modality 12 and cuts directly the stick of modality 13. Then the median equals to 12 plus 13 divided by 2. 12 plus 13 divided by 2. Calculate the mean and the variance of this statistical series. X bar, N1, X1, etc. Here, N1, X1, this is equal 11.11. 11.11 is the average or the mean of nodes. Xi minus X bar square, 5 minus 11.11 square this number, 6 minus 11.11 square this number, etc. Variance equal Ni Xi minus X bar square. We multiply all these numbers, then we divide by what? Then we divide by N by 18. Variance equals 11.7894. Standard deviation radical 3.43357. This is point 11.7894. Thanks for following and good luck.